Today in this video, we will guide you on how to apply for Singapore visa through our online visa application. Starting from filling up the application form to receiving your visa, how to do the user registration, how to check your visa status and download it, how to make the payments, and finally, what documents you need to prepare to submit your application. Let's start. The application process is fast and easy, and you'll receive your visa in no time. However, before you can start filling out the form, you need to collect a few documents. First, you will need a valid passport. The passport must be valid for at least 6 months from the date of entry into Singapore. In addition, you need to provide a recent passport-style photograph. This photograph must be taken within the last 3 months and must meet specific size and background requirements. Finally, you need to provide proof of onward travel and accommodation. This could be in the form of an airline ticket and hotel reservation. With these documents in hand, you can now begin the application form procedure. To get the application form, click on Apply Now. You can see the form in front of you now. Simply fill out the application form with your personal details, passport information, and travel plans. Next, you must upload your digitally scanned copy of your passport and photo in the form. You can look at the samples of scanned documents by clicking on sample links. Try to upload the documents in clear formats, as the sample shows. Up next, you need to sign up for your account with us. If you are applying with us for the first time, you must provide a username and password to open your account. Your account plays an important role here, as you can see your application statuses from time to time. Once you open an account, you can apply for multiple visa applications from your account for your family members and friends. After that, you need to select your visa processing fees type. Please note that some nationalities are eligible for express processing where you can get the visa in 2 working days. You can also check your express visa eligibility on the visa requirement page. Generally, express applicants get the visa in due time. However, visa approval sometimes may also require some additional documents, which may take more time to process. When you have confirmed your fee type, next, you need to provide your payment details on the form to pay the visa service fees. Currently, we are accepting Visa, MasterCard, and PayPal payment methods. Remember, if you are facing trouble entering your debit or credit card information, you can select PayPal's debit or credit card option to transfer fees to us. Once your application is submitted, you will receive a confirmation email instantly. Our experts will review your application afterward. Generally, the process ends here, but sometimes applicants may require to submit some additional documents. But don't worry, we will guide you to attain them. Our visa experts will contact you via email, inq@singaporevisaonline.sg, and you can use the same email to send us the additional information. After that, all you need to do is wait for your visa to be approved and download it. First, you need to log into your visa portal with your user ID and password. And then you can download your visa from your account, as we said earlier. And that's it. With a Singapore visa in hand, you're ready to start planning your dream vacation. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip today.